How to turn on read caller names aloud for incoming calls on your Galaxy S24 Ultra with One UI 6.0. As part of the new features for One UI, basically go into the phone app of your Samsung phone here, and once in this section, you'll see these three dots at the top right. As you tap on that here one time, you'll see the settings option right there. And going into it now, you'll want to go down to the part that says answering and ending calls, this right here, okay? And once you're in this section here now, you will see all these options. And the first one is read caller names aloud. You can turn it on from here or tap on the words itself and you'll get a better view of what's really going on. So basically this will work either with the Bluetooth connected or headphones only connected to your phone, or if you wanted to read it whether you have something connected or simply use the speaker of your phone for an incoming call to let you know who's calling you, then you can set it to always. And I think someone asked me not too long ago on my channel about this feature, and guess what? It's now available on Samsung phones. So I don't know about the other Samsung models, but I know with the S24 Ultra, it's there. I don't see it on my S23. Hold on, let me check. All right, so this is the S23 Ultra, and basically you'll most likely get a prompt to update your phone app. And I think after that update, that's when it got it. So go ahead and check to see if your phone app needs to update, and then you should have this. And of course, if you don't like it, just, well, turn it off, like and sub.